Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Fire alarms can sound without visible smoke for several reasons, including dust buildup, high humidity, electrical malfunctions, or insects inside the alarm. To resolve this, clean your fire alarm regularly using a soft brush attachment on a vacuum to remove dust. If humidity is the issue, try using a dehumidifier in the room. Check for any electrical issues in your alarm system and ensure there are no insects nesting in the device. Regular maintenance can help prevent false alarms.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.